Hi guys, welcome to Celeb Gossip Entertainment, where we bring you the tea each and every day. Now, South Africa is known to be one of the most developed countries in Africa, and with development comes so many opportunities and riches. Today I am going to share with you South African celebrities who are the richest. So I'm sharing top 5 South African celebrities who are rich. Now this information it is according to an article on Buzz Entertainment. Number 1 on the list we have Charice Thon. So Charice Thon is a South African fashion model, an actress and a producer. She also has an estimated net worth of 110 million US dollars, which is about 1.5 billion rands. She has starred in many Hollywood blockbuster movies, which include The Devil's Advocate, The Italian Job, Hancock, as well as Mad Max, which was released in 2015. Now, for me personally, I thought Charice Thon was from overseas, but today at least we've learned something new and you got it from this channel. Hit that like button because you learned something new today. On number 2, we have Sher Cley. I'm not sure about the pronunciation, but he is a South African actor, director, and a producer. He has directed many music videos and commercials. He is best known for his role as the Richest Celebrities, not sure about the pronunciation, in the science fiction movie called District 9. This movie was nominated in the Oscar Awards, and he also has an estimated net worth of 15 million US dollars, which is about 206 million rands. I am also confused as you are because I don't know him, but yes, he exists and he has moolah. Now let us move to our 3rd South African celebrity, who is one of the richest celebrities in South Africa. On number 3, we have Trevor Noah. Trevor Noah is the most famous, I think, in this list, but not famous. But yes, guys, he is a South African comedian. He is a writer. He is a producer. He is a media critic, and he is also a television host. He has facilitated television programs in South Africa, and just about 8 years of facilitating for his nation. Trevor Noah moved to the United States in 2011. He is currently hosting The Daily Show with Trevor Noah, and he has an estimated net worth of 14 million US dollars, which is about 192.3 million rands. So I know most of us know Trevor Noah as a comedian, and I think, and also a TV presenter, but I didn't know that he is a writer and he is also a producer. This is new to me. I have also learned something new just like you guys. Now let us move to our next celebrity, who is Silo Make. So Silo Make is also famous. He is the most regarded performer of South Africa. He has He has performed in movies, theatre and television in Canada, in Britain and the United States of South Africa. He has an estimated net worth of 13 million US dollars, which is about 178.5 million rands. So I know some of us, not even some of us, most of us know this guy. He is our South African celebrity, right? But we didn't know that he is in the top 5 of the richest celebrities in South Africa. Let us move to our last celebrity. Now, the last celebrity in the top 5 of the richest South African celebrities is Moshidi Motshekga. Not sure about the pronunciation. I'm sorry if I made a mistake. She is a popular South African actress that works on both television and film. She has been in the entertainment industry for over 50 years. She has also appeared in many local and international films. She has an estimated net worth of $8 million, which is about 110 million rands. Now, Moshidi Motshekga, guys, but you get what I'm saying, right? She is very, very famous. I started knowing her as Naomi on Rhythm City, and then The River. She is famous, guys. There's no need to explain her, just that we are surprised that she is in this list. That is all I have for you today. Please make sure that you like this video, subscribe to this channel, and also comment down below which other celebrities do you think are in this list. If I can make a top 10, which South African celebrities do you think will be featured in the top 10? I will see you on the next one.